Hi, welcome to my channel Soul Studio. It's 6th of August 2021. Today I'm going to work on this cascading jade. It's not a good time to work on a jade as it is monsoon, but I have my own reasons to work on it. Before starting this video, I would like you to share some history of this plant. I started it as a cutting in November 2018. It was potted in a simple earthenware pot. In October 2020, I noticed a very good and healthy growth on it. I wanted it to get ramified more and more, so I defoliated it. And as a result of defoliation, I received a good result and the ramification was better than the previous one. So today what I am going to do is cut the extra growth in the tree, and also I am going to repot it because some of its roots were going into the ground, and the roots that were going into the ground were dominating the other roots. And what I have experienced about the jades is that whenever I have cut bigger roots or dominant roots in the jade has suffered a lot from it. Many of my jades have died because of root rot after trimming or cutting bigger roots. So I don't want my roots in this jade to grow bigger in size or dominate other roots and create problems to this jade later on. So I want to keep it in control. Also, the branches you can see where I am cutting them, few of them have grown very long, and I want to prevent it to become abnormally bigger branches. Also, I have cut the new growth and I will keep it as it is to get more ramified. So as I am going to repot this tree, what I am actually going to do is remove the tree as it is from the existing pot and place it into a bigger pot. Placing the tree into a bigger pot will give more space, more room for the tree, for the roots to grow into the pot itself. The soil medium that I will be using is 100% brick crush, and the previous soil which is existing in the pot will not be removed. 100% using 100% brick crush will give good drainage to me, and the tree will survive very nicely. As you can see, the roots are not pot bound, but there will always be roots. Some roots, they will get out of the pot and go into the ground. It is okay for other trees like ficuses and all that the roots go out of the pot, they grow bigger and later on we cut it. But in jades I have experienced very badly that the tree will suffer from it. Now as you can see, the pot is bigger than the earlier one. There is more room for new soil to come, and the tree will grow in it happily. Over here I tried another angle just for an option, but no, I'm still convinced with the existing angle of the tree. Now I'm not going to style it, but the cascading branch that's going down, I'll just tilt it upwards so I can get some movement to it. Right now it is just going straight downwards. Styling of it I'll consider it later on. Right now I'll just let it grow and get more ramified. So this video right now is taken after 10 days of repotting this plant. So over here what I have noticed is there is new growth in the foliage, and also there on the root surface I can see some new roots growing, which is a very good sign that the repotting was successful. I am happy with this work, and whatever I have done with the tree. Now the tree will grow very nicely in this soil medium, and I'll get more time between the roots to develop in the pot and actually go into the ground. So I hope you have enjoyed my video, and you also enjoyed what my experience that I have shared about the jades, and I'll keep updating the same tree again and again to show the growth of it. I hope you like the journey of this tree. I hope you like my videos, and I would like you to follow me on Instagram, where my handles goes with Soul Studio and Bonsai Freedom. I would request you all to follow me on Instagram. Also, I would like you to subscribe and like all my videos. I hope this video where I have shown the transformation of this jade is helpful to all of you, and my experience are useful to all of you in some way. This is the first step where I started this tree. Then it grew, it was healthy. I tried ramifying it. It showed good results. This is how it looks currently. The branch that was going straight downwards has tilted a little bit upwards. This is how you can see all the three stages in one frame. I hope you like this video where I have shown transformation of a jade cutting into a cascading jade. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked the video.